Hello everyone, it's so good to see you here today. It is 29th of March and I know I should have posted this video yesterday, but I just didn't have time to take it. So I'm posting it today, and yes, whatever the date is, it's high time to choose our winner of the giveaway. So yeah, let's go to the video and see how many comments we have. We have 1,732 comments. That's crazy. That's a lot. I didn't expect so many, to be honest. So yeah, what we have to do now is we have to choose a winner. So let's go to our YouTube random comment picker. Let's paste the address of our video. And yes, I want to filter duplicate users. Let's see how many we have. We have 1,455 unique users to be chosen in a giveaway. All right, so let's do it. Let's choose the winner. Start. And the winner is Makes. I'm so much interested to take part in it, and I hope the good YouTuber will give the phone to me. Yes, actually it happened. You win, Mag. So maybe let's try to find this comment in here. I think I'll have to scroll down to see all the comments. Okay, now let's try to find it. Makes. All right, here it is. So I wish I could put a comment in here saying that he's the winner, but I can't do it right now because everybody will know the winner before I post this video. So for now, I will just leave a like in here, and after this video goes public, I will put a comment that Makes is a winner. Congratulations, Makes, by the way. I'm very happy I can send the phone to you, but because of the virus situation in the world, I think we'll wait with the shipment until it all ends. I mean, I feel like there might be some delays at the post because of that. So yeah, the phone is yours, of course, but I think it will be much better to wait a few weeks or maybe even few months before the situation goes back to normal, right? All right, so I think that's it for today. We have the winner of the 100,000 subscribers giveaway. Now let's wait for 200,000 subscribers to make another giveaway. And yeah, thanks for today and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.